Welcome to Auction version 4, the latest event management software tool from Auction Systems. This is the third tutorial in our series for data entry names. In this tutorial, I will show you the Title, Affiliation, and Teams panel. This is the third panel in the data entry form for names. The first thing you need to know is that this panel and all panels below are not available for editing until at least the name or company in the first panel has been saved. For each name record, you must decide whether the record is for a donor, an invitee, or a volunteer, or a combination of two or all three types. A donor is a person, couple, or company that has donated an item for your auction or made a cash or in-kind donation. An invitee is someone who may attend your event and may become a bidder, or a company, individual, or person that may purchase tickets to your event. A volunteer is someone on your team who is providing help with the event. Simply click on the buttons to select or remove a type. If a button is dark, that choice has been selected for this name record. By default, affiliations and volunteer teams are hidden. To show the choices, click Show Affiliations and Teams. This is the Type Affiliation Teams panel with the Affiliation and Teams lists showing. What is an affiliation? Affiliations are like name categories that help you filter or exclude names in certain reports, documents, and exports. Name records do not have to have a name affiliation, but any name record can have more than one affiliation. An example of an affiliation might be a board member. Let's say the chairman of the board of your organization asks you how much money did the members of the board spend at the event. Because you marked all the members of the board under that affiliation, you can do a financial report for only records with the board member affiliation checked. Volunteer teams help you track which teams your volunteers are members of. Examples might be something like the decorating committee, or perhaps this volunteer is the contact person for your organization that procured a donation from a donor. You create both the affiliations and the volunteer teams, and you can add new affiliations or volunteer teams by clicking Manage Name Affiliations or Manage Volunteer Teams. When the Manage Affiliations or Manage Volunteer Teams button is clicked, a new panel opens. The panel summary tells you how many affiliations are already in the data and how many new ones are available. But before you can add a new affiliation or a new team, you must click the Switch to Exclusive button. If your computer is on a network and another computer on the network is also in the same data, you will not be able to switch to Exclusive until the other users close the project. Once you are in Exclusive, click on any blank affiliation and add a new one. When you're done adding affiliations, click Save and Close. The same is true for volunteer teams. You can add a new team or two and save. The next tutorial in the Data Entry Names series is for the Attendance panel. Thank you for joining us.